Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how you will use MultiPutty. Okay, so first need you have to do you have to configure your putty. So if I go over here, and you will see in my putty I have these two already configured server. Okay, so if I go to the putty, so you need putty and putty gen. Okay, if I click over here 10.128. and 0.4. okay, this is my Windows IP address. So we didn't able to connect to that particular IP address. Okay, but still I am showing or I'll do one thing. Okay, we will understand. Okay, instead of this IP address, this is your IP address. Okay, and so how I configure this and this IP address, so that's I'm showing in this video. So in session we have do that. In appearance, I will change the particular size. Okay, this is my bold, or I will use bold and italic, and my font size is 14. And okay, and in data, if your username is Ubuntu, so you need to write Ubuntu. If your username is CentOS, so you have to use CentOS or EC2, whatever. So in my case it's Ubuntu. And in data we have done in SSH auth, we have to select the ppk file. So this is my ppk file, and I will say open. And again, what I'll do, instead of open, I'll go to the session, and I will give the same name 10.128.0.4, and I will click save. Okay, so here you will able to see this particular IP address. So this you need to configure in putty configuration. Okay, my configuration is done. Now if I close this, and again what I'll do, I'll open the MPutty, and if I go to the session, so you will see there is a fourth also configure over here. So just we just need to double click on that, so we will able to directly log in. Okay, this is my Windows machine, so we are however we are not able to connect to that. Okay, because in Windows we have to connect with RDP connection, and these two machines are my SSH login, SSH 22 port run on that. So this is how you will access to Puttygen. And if you want to add, so you can also add folder, or I will give name big data Hadoop. Subscribe to my channel as well. If you like the video, it's completely free. Okay, in big data Hadoop you can add server from here, and I will give my server name. Okay, from default I will select, and I just need to click on OK. So in that particular it will come. Okay, so we will select another one. I will delete one. Okay, we will delete that. So yes, and in big data what I'll do, add server, and from here I will add a server to. Okay, okay, so if I double click on that, so it's asking for login. So I will type Ubuntu and hit enter. So we will be able to log in. And if I type lsb underscore release hyphen a, so it will also show you which distribution we are using. So we are using Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If it's been too long journey, it's been 2 to 3 years, and we are not reached to 1K subscribers, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Share this video if you like it.